Welcome to Enoven Foods. Today I am making a bread, egg, cheese sandwich. Quick, cheesy and full of flavor. A perfect breakfast or snack you can make in minutes. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl, crack 3 eggs. Add half teaspoon chili flakes, half teaspoon salt. Mix well. Egg sandwiches are a popular breakfast worldwide. Add 3 tablespoon onion, 2 green chilies, 3 tablespoon tomato, 1 tablespoon coriander leaves. Mix everything well. Heat a pan, add 1 tablespoon butter. Place bread slices. And toast for 1 minute. Toast bread lightly for better texture. Now add another 1 tablespoon butter in the pan. Pour the prepared egg mixture evenly. Place the toasted bread slices over the egg. Cook for a minute and then flip. Do not overcook the eggs to keep them soft. Quick recipes like this are perfect for busy morning. Place cheese slice on top. Cheese adds a creamy and rich taste. Fold as shown and cook until the cheese melts and the sandwich turns golden. Fold carefully to keep shape. You can customize filling easily. Eggs are rich in protein. Vegetables add vitamins and fiber. Homemade food is more hygienic. Balanced ingredients make it filling. Your delicious bread, egg, cheese sandwich is ready. Serve hot and enjoy. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Follow Enoven Foods for more easy recipes.